Ooh, we fancy today. Will it run? Probably not. Get the choke. Okay. Problem number one. Let's see if that's the only problem. Manually choke it. Fuel valve on, engine on. On the operating table. So I guess the only thing it needs is that choke piece, and then we'll give it a tune-up. I had to order this little guy on eBay because they don't make it anymore. And we got the choke rod. So I'm gonna put this little guy right in there. This is going right there. Man. Alright, you can see we got that in, so now the choke is working. Alright, come back next time. Nah, I'm just kidding. Let's see how clean it is. Oh ho ho! If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Spark plug. That's gotta go. You may be able to tell this is supposed to be one whole piece here, but the guy before me didn't like that, and he just cut it out so where he could get to all this easily. Whatever works, I guess. I run and get a fuel filter to put on it. New spark plug, gonna get a fuel filter. Oil is clean, and we got the choke fixed. Scrub a dub dub. All right, let's try out that choke handle. How much do you think this is worth where you are? It's a Honda HS35. It's a little beat up. It's got some heavy scratches on it. So I'm thinking it's a $200 snowblower where I am. Not bad.